Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make steak eggs, only way. Start by bringing your steak to room temperature and pat it dry with paper towels. Season simply with salt and pepper and preheat a heavy skillet until hot. Sear steak to your preferred doneness, then rest it while you cook eggs in the same pan. I'll guide you through timing and tips so both steak and eggs finish perfectly together. I'll help you pick the right cut and prep it simply yet effectively. Aim for a 1-to-1. 5-inch steak like ribeye or strip for even cooking and great flavor. Pat the steak dry and season both sides with salt and pepper just before searing. Heating the pan properly ensures a good crust while keeping the inside juicy. Follow my timing and you'll nail it every time. In this video, I will show how to make steak eggs, only way. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth and found its clear money advice surprisingly freeing. It's a great bedside book for cooks who want simplicity. If you're enjoying the tips here, please like and subscribe, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain timing and how to use the pan efficiently for both components. Sear the steak on high heat until a deep brown crust forms, then finish to your desired doneness. Let the steak rest 5 minutes while you lower heat and add butter or oil for eggs. Cook eggs on medium-low in the same pan so they pick up flavor from the fond, resulting in a delicious plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.